A football quarterback is moving straight backward at the speed of 2 meters per second when he throws a pass to a player 18 meters straight downfield. The ball is thrown at an angle of 25 degrees relative to the ground, and it's caught at the same height as it is released. What is the initial velocity of the ball relative to the ground? What is the initial velocity of the ball relative to the ground? This is quite an interesting question. So to solve this problem, we begin by giving a diagram that represents the problem. Now, we notice that it is a projectile. And this projectile has the y and the x component. And we were told that the man has a velocity u, which is 2 meters per second. And this velocity is different from the initial velocity of the ball. The initial velocity vi of the ball was actually not given. And that is what we are looking for, because it is what is relative to the quarterback. That is what was asked. So we know that the angle here was given as 25 degrees. And we know that the displacement, that is from where the ball was thrown. Here it could be O, from where the ball was thrown to a position where the quarterback received the ball, which is a B. So the quarterback received the ball at position B. So the displacement is 18 meters, or the range from when the ball was thrown to where the ball was received is 18 meters. That is the range. So we can represent the range as Rx, which is equals to 18 meters. And then we are told that we know that G is equals to 9.8 meters per second squared. And the other angle, the angle was given to us, the angle itself was given as 25 degrees. So we know that the formula for the range Rx is given as the initial velocity times sine 2 theta all over G. Now, why do we use the formula for the range? Because the information that was given to us pertains to the range and the angle. So with that, we can be able to get the initial velocity with respect to the quarterback. The initial velocity with respect to the quarterback. In this case, we can make VI squared, we can make it a subject, which will be range times the gravitational acceleration all over sine 2 theta. So we're going to have VI, which is the initial velocity, the times 18 meters times 9.8 meters per second squared, which is the gravity, sine 22 times 25. This will give us an answer of 2. Let's multiply that. So we're going to have 18 times 9.8 divided by sine 50. That gives us 230.27. So if you take the square root on both sides, it will give us an initial velocity of 15.2 meters per second. 15.2 meters per second. That would be the velocity. The question was, what is the initial velocity of the ball relative to the quarterback? So this will be the initial velocity of the ball relative to the quarterback. Thank you.